Hi, everybody. This is Dov Hershkovitz. This is the 15.6 pipeline authoring kickoff video. As always, there is a planning issue underneath the pipeline authoring group, issue number 71, where you can see the full scope of the entire milestone. The goals of the milestone, we are continuing the work from 15.4, 15.5, the carryover issues. And I'm going to briefly talk about those. Number one is to improve our secret management integration by moving the JWT OpenID Connect token from V1 alpha into GA. There are two main issues to follow. One is the backend issue, which is currently in progress, which will then be followed up by the front end issue. Once those two issues will be implemented, then we can consider this work as completed. Secondly, is we are continuing the work on the variable improvement, so we can implement those top requested features. Now, just a word about those three issues. When we began implementing those issues, we actually tried a proposal of separating the implementation issue from the actual design issue. So what I've done is that I went to each and every issue and update and manually assign myself and update the status. Those status are being reflected by the downstream issues that are listed here. So if you want to understand what is the status of those issues, you should go into the downstream issues, the implementation issues. In issues where the status was clear, I manually update the status of these issues. So I gave like a manual update. But there are some issues that we still don't have a clear update. Once we'll have it, I'll also manually update it on the actual issue. But as I mentioned, if you want to understand what is the actual work that is being done, you should click on the downstream issues that are blocking this implementation issue. And lastly, we've experienced over the last month a degradation of our error budget. So it's still green, but it's going sideways. So we would like to add a better logging so we can understand what are the main offenders for the error budget. And then once we do that, we can start working on optimizing those issues. That's it. Again, short update for this milestone. And let me know if there are additional questions. Thank you and bye-bye.